So at this point, we're going to demonstrate how to be able to run billing reports based on all of the different costs and the chargeback system that we have built thus far. So in order to be able to run the billing reports, the first thing you want to do is go into policies, or excuse me, you want to go into organization, chargeback. And then from there, you'll see a dashboard that will show the current costs associated with the different systems that are in play. Now, this is a demo system, so you're not seeing a whole lot here. But if we click on the actual sales group that we have configured, the group that we've got configured for sales, you'll see that there's a number of virtual machines that have been provisioned. So these are the ones that we currently have provisioned. So there are some charges that are in here, and you can easily see that these are the current current things that are being being run against the meter, if you will. And I can get a quick view of the current monthly charges. This is going to show you where we're at so far, what the current cost is. So right now we've got a current cost on the dashboard of roughly about $65 for the physical server costs associated with it. So it's a real easy way to be able to see what the charges are, where the organization's at. So again, we don't have a lot of stuff in here because it's a demo system, but it gives you an idea of what those reports would look like. Now you can also include different components. So as before, from a customized dashboard perspective, you've got a lot of flexibility in how you can modify this. So you've got that visibility to it. You can also pull, very specific reports as well. So here, if I wanted to pull some reports, I can go to, the trending reports or an instant report. I can look at the budget to see how much money is being spent. So you can see here we had a pretty big spike to, over the last couple of days because we were doing a lot of demonstrations on the system itself. So it just gives you an idea of where you're at, how you're trending, and these different reports are going to give you the capability of, better analyzing your spend when it comes to utilization of your cloud environment. So in addition, you also have CloudSense. And what CloudSense does is it gives you the ability to be able to pull a report that's actually fairly intuitive and easy to read. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this particular report. We're going to run it, and we're going to create a PDF. So the idea behind this is I'd be able to create a billing report and then send it to the different lines of business within my organization. And it gives a nice breakdown of the different cost structures, how much it is that they're spending, as well as the specific virtual machines that have generated those charges. So if this was a fairly large organization, a lot of virtual machines in play, you could have a pretty substantial list. So, this gives you that ability to be able to almost provide an invoice, if you will, for the services that IT is generating. And that's how you would, really run those billing reports within UCS Director.